Have you been wanting to become a data analyst, but you do not have the resources, such as money or the tools, such as laptop, and you truly want to become a data analyst? This video is for you, because in this video, I'll be telling you exactly how you can become a data analyst without having to pay any money at all. But this can be possible if you're determined and you are ready to be focused. I know that Coursera is no more free, but the auditing part of it is still free. So if you're someone who is highly disciplined for learning a course, this method is exactly for you. Leverage YouTube learning as a beginner in data analytics. Type the word data analytics. You will see so many courses, so many contents on data analytics. Then start watching. He'll give you great insights on what data analytics is all about. But if you're someone who doesn't understand tech, who doesn't know much about tech, but of course you want to become a data analyst, you need a private tutor. Do not go and buy a course or pay for a cohort where they will not pay close attention to you if you truly want to land a job, especially as a data analyst. So if you found this video helpful, do it to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave me a comment. Until I see you next time, my name is Chioma.